Let me just turn this lamp off. Color glare. Okay, it's real quiet.
Recording?
Yep, it's recording.
Hi everyone, me and my wife. Is she?
Okay. We're gonna do a review on this snack from the Dollar Tree. It's by and before I say all this video isn't sponsored. We just testing the snack. Okay, it's from Ocean Snack, roasted seaweed with sea salt.
With sea salt.
What you think? It's gonna be good?
I don't know. You're gonna taste it first and tell me.
I
shall feed it to my wife.
I already know it's gonna be nasty. Look at it.
Huh?
Yeah, wait, let's take it out. Get a close view of it. Okay. Yeah, you try it first.
Just like some of this. Okay. Say maybe I need to fold it up so you can get a good grip and a nice piece. How about that?
This tastes like some dried greens, collard greens.
Okay.
Look, just take a bite. It kind of tastes like a flat green, like greens. Oh, dried up piece of Thanksgiving green.
It tastes like it could be greens. Dehydrated greens. Well, it is a green. It's seaweed.
When you get a big taste,
Boom.
yeah, this tastes like greens smashed with some cardboard. And when it sets in, after you get that taste, it starts setting in. Look, I'm going to just say this. This is not something that I'm going to be like, oh, let me snack on this. It's so good. So.
The taste tastes like that popcorn when you burn it, the smell of it. That's what the taste tastes like.
Yeah. And then old greens at the same time. Don't you taste like greens like a bitter?
I don't know. I feel a bunch
green?
of slimy stuff on my tongue, and I don't like it. I have to rinse my tongue. Oh, I forgot. I'll just do it with a little bit of beatbox beverage.
Not sponsored.
It's like some of the fine select wine.
Well, that was a fail. If I was gonna go reach for a snack and I was trying to be healthy and I want something to taste good, it wouldn't be old Thanksgiving greens and burnt popcorn aftertaste. All right, we're out.